Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandra and I did this Kim K Met Gala inspired makeup look. So we have like the halo eye with the like glossy center, and then a glossy lips and just a dewy face. And if you want to know how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera just because that takes me like 30 minutes. And I also primed my eyelids with some concealer, and I set that with like a bone color shadow. To start our eyeshadow, I am using the Morphe and James palette. Morphe X James Charles. I am using a little tiny brush, a blending brush. This is the Lexi 231 small tapered blending brush, and we're gonna go in with color right here, this one. Taking that on our little brush, tap off the excess, and we're gonna put this on the outer and inner corner of our eye. And make sure you leave the middle part of the lid without any color, just because that's where the highlight is gonna go. Using the same brush, I then started to blend over the crease, connecting the two shadows, kind of like a halo eye. Well, a halo eye. We're just starting, we're just blending. And then I'll just keep going back with that same shadow and applying more just to make it a little darker. And then same process, apply and blend. Okay, so once you have like a pretty good amount and everything is blended out, you can now go in with another brush. This is the Morphe E17 brush. Sorry, I was reading because it's like blurred out by how much I use this brush. But we're gonna go in with this darker brown color that, oh my god, with this darker purpley brown color that's right next to the shadow we just used. So going in with that brush, we're gonna do the same thing as we just did, just deepen up that color on the inner and outer corner of the eye. And when I do this, I kind of just like poke it on my eye. As you can see, I'm not like blending in little circles, and that's just gonna help pack it on and not really spread the color too much, which is what we want. We want the separation of the purple and the dark purple. Okay, and now to blend just the top and not have it a harsh line, we're gonna go in with the fluffier brush. This is a Morphe B81 brush. Going in with this light brown color, this one. Well, you can already see the difference in my eye, how this one looks like meh, and this one's just like bam. Now that our eye is blended out, we can focus on the center part of the eye, and for that I am going to use my concealer. This is the Maybeline Fit Me in the shade 20, and I'm gonna use my eyebrow concealing brush. This is the detailer brush from Real Techniques. So we're gonna put this on the center of our eyelid. And now with the flat shader brush, we are gonna go in with the champagne color right here. And we are going to wet our brush. I am using the Caudalie grape water spray. I'm gonna spray my brush. So I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did the other eye, as you can see. Now we're gonna move on to the face, which is, I think it was one of my favorite parts of this makeup look. I'm first gonna go in with a moisturizer. I am using the Purlisse Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer, which is for hydration, fine line prevention, and says it's perfect for under makeup. Now that we moisturized, moving on, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Light. This is literally what's gonna give you that glow all over your face. So I just kind of start off with a little tiny bit, or not a tiny bit, but like, you know, a good amount, I'd say. I'll just spread this over my fingers, and then I'll put it on my cheeks. And then I'll start spreading it to the rest of my face. I got 3 little travel size minis from Tatcha. It came with the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer, and the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, as well as this like oil you use to take off your makeup. I haven't used the oil or the skin mist, but I have used the canvas and I really like it. It's very thick, which is why I like to put it on my pores. So using my ring finger, or my middle finger I mean, I just kind of go like this and I make sure to press this onto my pores. I'm actually gonna spray my face first with some grape water mist from this is the Caudalie grape water, which I used to spray my brush. So I recently went to Target and I saw this little sponge by Real Techniques, and it came in a cute little case like this. It has the other one, but I don't know where it is. But anyways, for foundation, if you watch my other videos, you already know I use the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Longwear Liquid Foundation in the shade 4.0. So I'm gonna put like half of a pump on my sponge and then just start applying that all over my face. Okay, now for concealer, using the Maybeline Fit Me, I'm just gonna do a triangle under my eye. Okay, and now to set all this and make sure that this does not move, Mercier translucent powder. I'm gonna put that a little bit on my sponge and make sure it's damp but not soaking wet, because you just want it to like melt into the skin. So I'm gonna press that under my eye and make sure you're pressing it so you are literally like stamping the makeup on your face and it is not going to move. And then I do bake the under my cheekbones, so going right from the top of my ear all the way to the end of my lip. With whatever's left on my sponge, I'm gonna go the rest of my face and just patting that. And now for bronzer, because we're looking a little bit pale, I am going in with this contour brush and the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Of course, we have to contour our nose. Well, you don't have to, but it's literally something I always do now. So taking an angled brush like this, I just put some on the tip of the brush, tap off the excess, and starting from the top of the brow, I'm gonna make a straight line going down. Play with the brush and just go up and down, making a straight line. Okay, now for blush, I am using the Milani Romantic Rose powder brush. Okay, and now going in with my powder brush, we are going to dust off all the excess powder that we have on our face. And then going in with another kind of bigger blending brush, I'd say. I'm gonna use this and just gently go up and down that line and blend out that shadow. Using an M432 brush and going back in with that dark purple color. We're gonna put this as close to the lash line as possible. And then using a purple eyeliner, I'm just gonna water my lines. This one is by Sephora. Okay, and to blend that out, going back with that same brush that we used first And into the lighter brown color, we're just gonna go as close to the lash line and just blend that dark purple out. Okay, so once that is smoked out, we're gonna go back in with the spray and just spray our whole face one more time. And then while my face is still wet, I'm gonna go in with the Ofra Glow Up palette and using the highlighting shade in, what is this? Star Island, which is this lightest color right here. So on a little tiny pencil brush, picking up that color, we're gonna pack that right on the center. And since the eyelid is wet, it's just gonna give that really glowy, nice effect. And then taking a little bit more and putting that on the inner corner of our eyelids. And then wiping off that highlighter, we're gonna go in with Rodeo Dry. This is the goldeny shade. And we're gonna go over that white. And then we're also gonna put this at the very top of our brow bone. And I usually don't like to drag it out all the way because when you put it at the very top of the brow bone, that makes it lift the brow instead of just kind of like drooping. And then using that same highlight, we're gonna put it on the tip of my nose and then down the bridge as well. And for highlighting my cheekbones, I'm using the Morphe M501 brush. So I just put a coat of mascara and then I put my false lashes on. These are in the style Instaho by Baddie B Lashes. Literally my favorite lash brand ever. Like, I love Jenny 69. I love her lashes. Like, I just love them. But anyways, moving on to lips. I am going in with the Oak Lip Pencil by MAC. And we're just gonna line our lips. And then using a MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Bronx. And now that we have our lipstick, going in with a gloss. This is the ColourPop times Bretman Rock Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade I See You, which is just like a gold glossy lip. And then for an extra pop of gloss, I am using the Jouer Skinny Dip Lip Topper. It's literally like just a gold, like you'll see right now. And just add that to the center of the lip. It's a very thick gloss, so. And then last but not least, to finish off the makeup, I am gonna try the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Oh wow. So this is the final makeup look. I honestly love this makeup. I had never done like a halo eye with like a pop of like shimmer in the middle, which I really love. And I just love this whole makeup look, and I'm for sure gonna be using this makeup when I go out because it looks bomb. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and you should comment what else you want to see from me because I am gonna start recording more and uploading. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.